I mean, that's why prospective converts are turned away so much, because really it has to be an irrational thing. It has to be the person says, you know what, I have no good reason for this. I have every good reason not to do this, and I just can't get it out of my head. This is what I've got to do. So, when you have every good reason not to become Jewish, and yet you just can't shake that feeling that you have to become Jewish, then eventually you have to give into it. If it just doesn't go away. I'll tell you a cute story. A friend of mine told me about this guy he knew in yeshiva who converted. He was an older guy who used to hang around the yeshiva and study there. And my friend was a yeshiva bacher. He was a younger guy. So they knew this guy as he was in his conversion process. He used to hang around the yeshiva and learn with the guys, but he was in a conversion process. He wasn't yet Jewish. And then one day he came in and he had his conversion. He went to the Bezdin and the Toiveld and the mikveh. And so he comes into the yeshiva and he says to the Bachim, he says, boys, I want you to know that I can guarantee you without a shadow of a doubt that everything, this whole thing, Judaism, is real. And I can tell you how I know that it's real. He said, I just converted, and now I have sfeikus and amunah. Now I have doubts in faith. It's a deep, he didn't say it as a joke. He knew it was funny, but he was also saying it truthfully, meaning there's a concept that everything in holiness has to be opposed by a counterpoint to make free choice possible. So basically this guy is saying, he wasn't really troubled by doubts in faith during his conversion process. Now he's Jewish, he made that step, and now he's getting that attack. There's that pushback. Now all of a sudden the Yetzer Hara is coming to him and giving him doubts. So he said, now because I'm having doubts, that's what makes me certain that this thing is real, because I didn't have doubts yesterday. I didn't have doubts before. Why am I having doubts now? Only because now there's a special pushback, a special resistance.
Hey, this is Shais Taub. You were just watching a clip from this class. If you want to get the full context, the full class that this clip that you just watched was from, you watch right here. Click right here. Here.